The top 6 reasons not to join eXp. Hello, I'm Russell Enyart, and today we're going to discuss the top 6 reasons not to join eXp. But before we get started, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that bell. That's super important for some reason on YouTube, to hit that bell. Additionally, if you'd like to get some real estate coaching from me, feel free to set an appointment right down below. And make sure you stay till the very end where I expose the number 1 reason not to join eXp. The number 6 reason not to join eXp is because your friend told you to, or because your friend joined. Just like joining any other brokerage, you need to do the right amount of research and become sufficiently informed before you choose eXp or any other brokerage. Additionally, it is very critical if you join any brokerage that you're making sure that you get the correct support. If your friend joined eXp, they may not be getting the support that they need. They may be in a group that doesn't offer what it is that you're looking for, or they may have made a really good decision. But you want to make sure you don't join eXp just because your friend did or because your friend asked you to. The number 5 reason not to join eXp is because of stock and revenue share. Don't just join eXp and think that stock and revenue share is going to start rolling into your bank account or your stock account. You actually have to help a client complete a transaction on either the buy side or the sell side before you get your first allotment of stock. You actually have to do something. So if you're signing up for eXp, just thinking that stock and revenue share is going to start rolling into your account, that is not how it works. Additionally, you have to share the eXp model with some other real estate agent that decides to join with us, and then they actually have to complete a transaction before you get any revenue share. So again, you don't just join because you think free stock and free revenue share is going to start rolling into your account. That's definitely not how it works. However, if you would go out and sell or buy for a client, you will get free stock. And if you find somebody else that's interested in the eXp model as an agent and they help a client buy or sell, you'll get a second set of free stock and you will start experiencing revenue share. The number 4 reason not to join eXp is to have leads just come rolling into your phone magically. It is not magic. Leads don't come rolling into your phone magically. eXp has a CRM called KV Core, Customer Relationship Manager, and you actually have to go into KV Core and set up a number of different things to get leads to come to your phone. Also, they have a marketplace where you can spend a few dollars on advertising, and then even more leads, even higher quality leads will come rolling into your phone. Also on KV Core, that is quite an extensive process to set up all of your personal contacts inside of the system and to get everything working. It's not super easy. It does work, but it doesn't magically come rolling into your phone. So the number 4 reason not to join eXp is leads don't just magically come rolling into your phone. The number 3 reason not to join eXp is if you don't want an office at all, or if you don't want an office in a single location. Most people think that eXp is a strictly cloud-based company and there is no office. You can definitely run it that way. However, there are offices all over the world. If you join eXp, you do end up with an office. There are Regus offices and you get a Regus membership. You have Regus offices all over the world. So if you're looking to try to avoid the office completely, you are not going to accomplish that with eXp. Also, if you want an office in just one location, that is also not going to be accomplished with eXp. You have offices in Los Angeles, San Francisco, Dallas, Sacramento, all over the country and all over the world. Anywhere there's a Regus office, that's your eXp office. So again, the number 3 reason not to join eXp is if you're trying to avoid the office. The number 2 reason not to join eXp is if you want to pay really high premiums for your healthcare. Most real estate agents don't have healthcare at all, and if they do, they had to go out and find it through an independent healthcare representative. At eXp, there are a lot of programs that are custom fit for each person, for their family, for their individual person, or for couples, and they are super affordable and amazing coverage. I have seen many people that have saved over $10,000 a year on their premiums and ended up with better healthcare coverage through eXp's offered programs. So the number 2 reason not to join eXp is if you want to pay really high premiums for really bad healthcare. At eXp, they have great healthcare at great prices. All right, the number one reason, this is what you've been waiting for, not to join eXp is if you have no idea who your senior partners are going to be. No matter what brokerage you join, the folks that are there are going to be instrumental in your success. At eXp, you can get up to 7 people that are going to be instrumental in your success. Of those 7 people, is there anyone that can help you grow your business the way that you want to grow your business? That is a very important question, and if you don't know the answer to it, then you should definitely not join eXp. Once you know who those folks may be, then you can make a much better, more informed decision. Is there anyone there that has sold 500, 600, 700 houses? Is there anyone there that has built a mega team? Is there anybody there that's ran an office of hundreds of people? What is it that you're looking to do with your real estate career? And is there anyone in that senior partnership team that has done that and can help you get there? Is there a master marketer? Is that what you're looking to do, is market your business more efficiently? Is there somebody that knows how to do social media? Again, these senior partners are the ones that are going to be most instrumental to your success. And if you don't know who they are, you should not join eXp. So again, the number one reason not to join eXp is if you have no idea who your senior partners are going to be. We just reviewed the 6 reasons not to join eXp. However, if your friend joined for the right reason and did their research, if you really do think you can earn outstanding amounts of stock and revenue share, if you're okay with having offices all over the world, if you also want fantastic healthcare, you know who your senior partners are going to be, and you really can get leads right to your phone if you do a little work, then eXp is the best possible place for you to hang your real estate license. I have never seen as many happy and successful agents as I have here at eXp, and they all have a fantastic plan on how to retire and end up with a nice stock account in the process. If you want to find out more about eXp, please click right down below to set up an appointment with me, and we can go in depth on each of the wonderful things here at eXp. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, like, and hit the bell button right here. We also have more content available for you right here. If you liked this video, my name is Russell Enyart. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.